it was. It was the big savings.
So is that the Mississippi? Oh, waterfall.
Yeah.
So that's the Mississippi, right?
Oh, geez. Y'all are just sucking. That's fair safety, though. Roll it. You're throwing it sidearm.
Teddy. He's playing. All my pajamas are space themed. A space shirt, socks, and NASA pants. What are you doing? Playing Pokemon, son? You like your game you got for Christmas? Even though you paid for it?
Full picks.
You battle. Oh. Nice. Is it wild?
Yeah.
Try to catch it.
It's literally the easiest thing. It's like Pokemon Go.
Oh, no. I'm trying to decide if I want to get the Pokeball Plus. So, yeah, it's our first full day in Minnesota. What are we gonna do?
No clue yet.
No clue? Actually, it's our only full day here, right? Yeah.
Maybe the car's done.
Unless the car is not done.
Just in case. You can feel it out. I don't think the only thing that we're going to be outside for a long time for, I think, is going to be the stone arch.
The what?
Define long time. Like, I don't know how long time. Like 20, 30 minutes? Oh. 20 minutes? Well, I mean, like, that's the longest we'll be outside. Got it. Do you have room for a cheap Polaroid film camera?
Alright, so for our first and probably only full day here in Minnesota, for now we're actually going to go out to eat at Perkins, because Perkins is good, and it's been a month since I've last eaten there, since we were here last, so yeah, let's go. Merca. We're at Perkins.
Bring it back with the car. So I got more ones. We talked about that already. Yeah. It was cold that morning too. Yeah, it was. Shorts.
We all know we're getting breakfast here. No. Look at that. Powdered, hey Michael, powdered sugar.
They can't. Do I die or do I be a gentleman?
Oh, there they are. Hey, Honda. Just run right into the car. That was some good food.
Polaroid camera, so.
Guess what? I don't have anything to carry my tripod. Do you think I'll need it?
Yeah. You might want it.
Cause,
Unless if you don't have a place
cold.
to put it.
I don't have any like anything to attach it to. That's cool. So it's a theater? It's cool. So is that the Mississippi? Oh, waterfall.
Yeah.
So that's the Mississippi, right? Oh, it's a heavy door.
Yeah. Oh, sweet. Okay. Oh.
Performances, basically.
Yeah, yeah.
The Mississippi. It's all frozen. Look at it.
Carol will begin in 10 minutes in the word rest. Please take your seats at this time.
Gordon Grayson wants us to come say hi and St. Paul. Pulling us big guns.
River.
That road that Grayson took us down with all the big, like, Victorian houses. Yeah, the ridge place we were talking about? Yeah. Shorts. Hey, there we go. It's like Adam. Huh? The guy in shorts, it's Adam.
Here's a waterfall. That's the Mississippi River out there. Just to think, when we drive through Baton Rouge, and New Orleans, we see the same river right here. It goes all the way down south. It's cool.
We should drive by the border though. Let them see the stadium.
My hands are just gone. They're numb, completely numb.
Just put it in your pocket.
Well, I would get my gloves out, but I don't know.
720.
Oh, my camera is officially messed up. It's lagging. The footage is lagged. Look.
Oh, we're getting frozen.
Yeah, it is. Look at it. My camcorder did this on Mount Mitchell. Do you see that? It's lagging. It'll have to warm up. Gloves on, right?
No, I don't.
Snow possible from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. So we might get snow. It is currently 26 degrees and it feels like 16. That's not that cold, but it's still like colder than Texas, obviously. That's like the coldest it'll ever get in Texas right there. And even then it doesn't do that often. Yeah, my hands are gone. They're just
chilly.
My hands are dying. Ugh. Yeah, my hands are red and dry.
What's wicked about this is we can move it a little earlier too, right there. Your hands aren't red anymore, they're past red.
Oh yeah, they're like dark red.
They're bleeding.
They're bleeding. Yeah, no, it's fine.
They're frozen.
They're frozen. Whoever put your dogs in the bottom part of the plane, they're frozen. Oh god, that's terrible, but it's hilarious. So yeah, we're here spending some of the day in Minneapolis. It's nice. It's also cold, but I feel fine because I have 2 layers on right now, so it's almost excessive. hold the door for my people. Okay, my camera is just struggling right now. You see it's lagging because of how cold it is. It can't even take it.
Yeah. What the fuck?
We've never felt this before.
We're going up to one level.
It's Michael.
Just fluff out of it.
Yeah. What I think it's really cool is that every time we go through Baton Rouge, or
that same river.
Yeah, we're on that same river out there. So like several miles down in Louisiana.
I hear it. I just
all the
wonder
way
if
up
you could
here.
hop in a boat and take it all the way down.
That's what they did. That's what the French used to do.
I know, but I wonder if you can still do it.
I don't know, maybe. There might be some things you have to pass through. Get to this car. Get to the car. He started the car before we even got in. Okay, anyways, enough of that.
Yeah. I mean, there's probably like a
dresser. I just.
Oh, crap. Sorry,
Well, yeah,
Michael.
I mean, if you step outside,
Well, there goes my
you're
stuff.
fine. I mean, it's not like in the winter anybody does.
That is really cool. Wow.
This place is insane. So the train comes right by it.
Yeah, there's a. St. Paul Cathedral or the Capitol building. The Capitol looks just like
That's cool.
oh, it's a cathedral.
Jeez. Just gorgeous.
Wow, these houses.
Blows Galveston out of the water on the section that they've got the old homes on.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning.
These are some really nice
I love
houses.
this one. I love that one.
Okay, so now we're driving around in St. Paul, and that is my first time being here. And we're looking at fancy houses.
Summit Terrace.
We're looking at fancy houses. These look really cool. Well, these ones are kind of fancy, but the ones behind us. Here's some right here.
Summit Terrace.
These are townhouses, actually.
Summit.
This is so cool.
And go down the big old hill.
I like that house. That's cool.
That is really cool. So ready to go down?
What? Oh dear gosh, what?
What's up? Spelled club. You think with that much money they spend on it, they'd get it right.
Oh. Okay, thank God we're not going up it. Cause that was scary in Duluth, honestly. We had to like park or stop. Okay, so we're at IKEA now. We're just gonna look in here. What made us want to go to IKEA?
Just a waste of time.
Just waste time. Okay. That is so satisfying. This is so cool.
What do you think of that light?
You guys taking a load off?
See, I'll be texting what you doing. You'll be chilling.
Chilling in IKEA. This bed is way too hard. I would never be able to freaking sleep on it. This is like insane. I don't know how people sleep on these kinds of beds.
It's like $80, so it's probably not that bad.
Oh my gosh. I kind of like this right here. I like that poster. Kind of want it.
$12.
What is that one?
This.
That was just pretty small.
Yeet. Bye, IKEA. These the windows, just I can't see through it. Thank you. Wait, so you got a Whopper?
Yeah, those are good.
That's good.
They're better than anything at all.
Look at it. Look at the sunset. It's one of those like wintry yellow sunsets.
Tree right there.
Yeah.
Ours is 49 when it's up. They'll grab it there.
I haven't had these. It's been far too long, I think. So I think it's about time. A lot thinner than what I remember.
When I say so. Flat frozen.
We're eating at I mean, this. I just said Whataburger. I just almost said Whataburger. I meant Burger King. We just finished eating. So what are we doing next? Best Buy, car wash, Best Buy, Walmart, and then bowling. Right? Having a good time in whatever town this is near Minneapolis. I don't really know. Sea monster. Hey there. You look like you're all like a lumberjack. Okay, let's get this bag out of here. It's just all gloomy and cool out here. You can hear the highway over there.
Scratch that. On the flow. Scratch that. Scratch that.
I mean, not Winston. That's Teddy. My dad's trying to learn how to play Pokemon Go. He's still struggling. You have to actually go out where there's population. Like, this is a neighborhood, but you have to go out like where there's stuff. Yeah, no, that's not. There's more to it than that. How many Pokemon do you have? Wow, you suck. You have to actually go out. Like, look. Oh, Oh my God, there's. That's not Snorlax. Never mind. That's Drowsy. You gotta like go places like those. Like,
I don't want to go places. I want to sit on my ass.
Like they'll appear if you start walking around.
Pokey ass for lazy people.
That's probably hacks. Wait, last year, what do you mean? When you had the several candy canes that you would... Take one. Yeah, I remember you stacked them up all in your room and you just ate tons of these.
I let him teach him that.
DSLR. Oh, this is my dad's. This one's better than my DSLR. I don't use my DSLR anymore though. So I should get the R, Michael, you think? The EOS R? Since the 5D is also cropped. So your camera's cropped 4K?
Oh, Mike, you get my camera before I forget about it. It's right here. Oh, you got it.
I got a rock. Sit. It's a cafe too.
Apparently.
Ah, oh, dang it. You could have gotten a spare.
My shoulder is going to be a problem.
Yeah. much you want to bet he's gonna make a strike? Okay, 1 pin left. 1 pin left. You've got to be kidding me.
Is it recording? Yeah. You got him.
What a spare.
Good job.
You guys just keep getting strikes. Meanwhile, me, I can barely get a spare. Why is there a balloon? I rolled that so weird.
If Michael could ever just straighten his throw out, he just blows him off. Drives him down. Oh, geez. Y'all are just stuck in here.
That's spare safety though.
Roll it. You're throwing it sidearm. Get it. We got to bring him the Snickers next time. He works here. Here it goes again.
It won't focus.
Why is it a focus thing?
What made us want to watch Twister anyways? Just like brought it up. Look at all these cameras. None of them are mirrorless. So weird. Powered shot. We're back. We got some ramen because I'm freaking hungry. Is it good? It's good. How much is Twister on there? It's already here.
Oh, it's showing up somewhere.
Twister. Yeah, play that. I remember that.
Oh, hey guys, how you doing? I'm in the closet right now. I just wanted to say there's 7 more days until the new track comes out.
Yeah, I remember that.
Well, no one really cares, there's not a lot to see upstairs, but I'm sharp enough to keep the heat turned on. And Emily replied, I think the pizza guy arrived, so someone get the door before he's gone. You're ugly when you dance, and I'm a loser wearing sweatpants. I'm so annoyed at everybody here.
What is it, a party or something?
Sort of nauseous, and Ashley's laugh is so obnoxious. I'm sorry, but I just can't hear you over how legit you think I'm not.
Teddy. Hi, Teddy.
We'll get up at 6. Or you want to leave at 6? Pretty much want to spend the night. Or do you want to try to do it?
What?
Do you want to try to do it, or you want to spend the night somewhere?
I don't want to leave tomorrow. Never even played Minecraft, jeez. Finished Pokemon. Oh, that's right. Okay, well, we leave in the morning. I'm sad, but our time here was short this time around. But at least we got to have time here at all.
I don't know. But you will not tell anyone.
And we'll need to, because we'll be together playing hooky. All right. Very good.